welcome to our next class. We could see that we've been able to put our ceiling. Now what we want to put now is to begin to put our furniture inside our sitting room. So let's go back to floor plans. Ground floor means that we want our furniture and everything to be on that ground floor. So let's double click on the ground floor. It will take us here, and we will now begin to put all our furniture inside the sitting room. So how do you go about it? From your toolbar, you see what we call component. You see component from the modify toolbar. So you left click on the component. It will now show you another bar here. You now say load. You now go to load. From that load, you now begin to see the component that came with Revit. We call it metric library. You need to do some things in Revit that you not just go and pick whatever you want. Now we need furniture, so you go under furniture. Under furniture, you now begin to see it, bed and everything. But we need something like chair, so you go to where there are chairs. You now begin to scroll down, begin to use your down arrow to check it. You could see that from the right is showing until you get something that you want. If it's not something you want, you begin to scroll. You can see table here. We can even first of all pick table or whatever we like. We can see table dining. You could see different kinds of things here, television and so on. Let's go back to pick something that will suit what you want. You can see sofa and so on. Let's just pick this sofa pencil. You can pick this sofa pencil. You just go to open. Once you are okay, you just go to open. You look for it. You can see that your sofa is already highlighted. You put one here. If you want singular sofa, this one is 3-in-1. You go again, load. You go again to check your furniture. You scroll down again until you get what you are looking for. If you cannot get one sofa, then you make do with what you have. That's why I told you that you will be given a comprehensive material library where you can get many more things that you want, so that it will really help you. You can see this table here, Eclipse. You can just pick a table just for representative purpose. Let's pick this table. You go to open. You drop this table here. So now we could only see one sofa here in this Revit family that came with Revit 2009. Let me show you part of what I have in my own material box that will be given to you free of charge. Let's go back to component. Let's go back to load. I will now go back to where I kept it inside my own computer. It's inside my home system. I will show you my materials. You will see my furniture now, the way it will be. You can see it, domestic furniture. You can see a lot of things here. If you don't see what you are looking for, and mind you, when you are going and you see what you something that you want, you can pick it and go and put it there first. Now we will need television, so you can go to television, open, you drop television and put it there. Just drop it somewhere. When you are through, now this television, now you have to rotate it. So you click on it, you go to rotate. You make sure it's straight. You now rotate it to 90 degrees. Once it's okay like that, you now use your back arrow to shift it back. You shift it back to the wall. You shift it to this side too. So that's how your TV will look like. So let's go and pick another thing. Let's go again, component. We load it. You go back to that my material box. You go to materials. Let's go to furniture again. You see You see a lot of furniture here. You see chairs. You could see a lot of chairs here. Just be pressing arrow down. You could see that I have a lot of things that you benefit in this course. If you can't find it, the main challenge here is to look for what you want. You need to really search for it. That's how you can get it here. By the time you search for it, you see a lot of things. It might not be in a place. You see bed, chairs and sofas. You see it under beds, chairs and sofas. So you can see singular chair here. You can use this chair design. You can you see now we have seen a singular chair. Bring this one, singular chair. Let's just use this one so that this video will not be too long. So once you do this one, you know how to rotate. I want you to rotate. You go to rotate, you click here and you rotate this one and you begin to set it. Once you are able to get all that you want, we will continue in the next class to put every other thing that we need.